Welcome to Beachside 365, where we take you to the wildest waters, the boldest drops, and the most breathtaking views across the Pacific. If you crave adrenaline and ocean air, here are the top 10 cliff diving beaches in the Pacific, perfect for thrill seekers, nature lovers, and wanderers alike. Ka'la'i, South Point, Big Island, Hawaii. At the southernmost point in the United States, Ka'la'i offers dramatic lava cliffs rising 40 to 60 feet above the ocean. The water below is deep and welcoming, and there's even a metal ladder bolted to the rock for climbing back up. Access is easy by car, but the location is remote. Expect no lifeguards and no services, so come prepared. There are no restaurants or shops on site, but local food trucks and small cafes can be found on the drive back toward Naalehu. Nearby lodging includes cozy vacation rentals and eco-lodges. This location is not recommended for children or beginners, but it's a bucket list dive for experienced thrill seekers. Visit between April and October when the seas are calm and conditions are safest. Shipwreck Beach, Kauai, Hawaii. On the southern shore of Kauai, Shipwreck Beach features a 35-foot cliff at one end. The jump is exhilarating, set against the backdrop of rugged volcanic coastline and crashing waves. It's easily accessible by car with public beach access. No official diving area exists, and there are no lifeguards, so jump at your own risk. Nearby resorts offer full dining options, and Poipu is just minutes away for shopping, drinks, and meals. Accommodations range from luxury resorts to beachfront condos. Best for experienced swimmers only, this spot is not ideal for families with small kids. Plan your trip in late spring through early fall for the best diving conditions. Tarzan Rock, Siargao Island, Philippines. In the island surf capital of the Philippines, Tarzan Rock offers 15 to 25-foot jumps into warm, jungle-fringed water. A favorite among locals and backpackers, it's an easy adventure to add to your itinerary. Accessible via a short walk or bike ride from General Luna's main streets. No lifeguards, but friendly locals often offer tips. Food stands and local restaurants are nearby, serving everything from fresh coconut juice to grilled seafood. Budget hostels and boutique beach stays are easy to find throughout Siargao. Tarzan Rock is family-friendly with supervision and best enjoyed between March and October. Nusa Ceninun Blue Lagoon, Bali, Indonesia. With cliffs towering 30 to 40 feet above an electric blue lagoon, this spot is a dream for adrenaline junkies. Located on Nusa Ceninun Island, it's accessible by scooter or on foot from nearby resorts. The lagoon has a cliff diving platform, but services like lifeguards or first aid are limited. Local warongs, small restaurants, serve up Indonesian classics like nasi goreng, satay, and fresh fruit smoothies. Nearby lodging includes cliffside bungalows and romantic villas. Not suitable for children or beginners, this spot is for experienced divers only. Visit during May to September for optimal diving weather. Makapu'u, Tide Pools Cliffs, Oahu, Hawaii. Hidden below the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail are dramatic 20 to 40 foot cliff jumps into tide pools surrounded by black volcanic rock. You'll need to hike down a rocky slope, so it's not for everyone. No diving staff or facilities, so bring water, snacks, and caution. The town of Waimanalo is nearby for food, and Waikiki is a short drive for a full dining and lodging experience. This area is not recommended for young children, but is a favorite among locals and adventure-loving hikers. Best visited in the summer months when waves are gentle. Mele Cascades, Port Vila, Vanuatu. Imagine jumping into rainforest-fed freshwater pools surrounded by waterfalls. That's what awaits you at Mele Cascades. Cliff heights range from 10 to 25 feet and are perfect for all experience levels. Tours are easily booked from Port Vila and often include a guide, transportation, and safety overview. Food options are limited near the falls, but Port Vila offers great island fare, including seafood, tropical fruit, and fusion cuisine. Nearby, you'll find resorts and eco-lodges with stunning views. A great family-friendly location, best explored between May and October. Mbinga Island Cliffs, Fiji. Just off the coast of Viti Levu, Mbinga Island's cliffs rise 15 to 30 feet above some of the clearest waters in the Pacific. Accessible by boat, often through resort-organized excursions. You can combine cliff diving with snorkeling or kayaking. Most meals are served through resort packages featuring Fijian cuisine and international options. Accommodations are often luxurious with beachfront berths and private plunge pools. A great pick for adventurous couples or solo travelers with best diving during May through October. Amide Lighthouse Reef Cliffs, New Caledonia. These 10 to 20 foot cliffs near Amide Lighthouse offer scenic views and safe entry points into coral clear water. Reachable by boat tours from Noumea, many of which include lunch and snorkel gear. Packaged excursions often include food. Think barbecue buffets and tropical drinks. Stay in Noumea for hotels, guest houses, and ocean view resorts. Beginner friendly and family safe, this is a calm and beautiful spot to try your first jump. Ideal visiting months are September through November. Hillsborough, Queensland, Australia. Cliff diving with a view of kangaroos? At Cape Hillsborough, it's possible. Cliffs range from 15 to 30 feet, and the beach is famous for its sunrise kangaroo sightings. Accessible by car or guided eco tour. Services are limited, so come prepared. Nearby, you'll find camping grounds, nature resorts, and lodges. The area offers simple food outlets and occasional food trucks. This location is great for confident swimmers and nature lovers. Best enjoyed from May through October. Matapalo Cliffs, Osa Peninsula, Costa Rica. Hidden in the remote jungle of Matapalo, cliffs rise between 15 and 40 feet above deep, natural pools. You'll also find nearby waterfalls and rich rainforest all around. Access requires a 4x4 vehicle or boat ride, and services are minimal. Eco lodges and surf retreats offer rustic but beautiful accommodations. On-site food is typically fresh and organic, often served at the lodge. Not suitable for young kids, but perfect for advanced adventurers and nature enthusiasts. Plan your trip between December and April when conditions are ideal. From volcanic drops in Hawaii to jungle jumps in Costa Rica, the Pacific is packed with unforgettable cliff diving destinations. Whether you're chasing the thrill, the views, or the adventure, there's a spot here waiting for you. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell to explore more wild, beachside destinations with Beachside 365.